Welcome back viewers in the course. Now in this lecture I want to talk about the indexing of those backlinks which we have created. This is very important. Like I have said already, creating backlinks is a different thing and indexing them is a different thing. Let's say we have created 20 backlinks using all these methods, okay, like guest posting, user profile and stuff like that. Okay, now some of the backlinks will be indexed by Google very quickly, especially the guest posting, because when we are guest posting, the website is already in Google and the links are already in Google. So once the guest post is published, the article will automatically be crawled and indexed by Google, and also the links inside the article. So that is very easy to do. User profile backlinks will take some time. This is not easy to like indexed in Google. And the Web 2.0 will take some times, but less time than the user profile backlinks. Okay, this will take less time, like maybe in 2 weeks you will see the backlinks are indexed by Google. Discussion forums, if the forums are active, then it will take like 1 week or 2 weeks maximum. And blog comments will also take like 1 to 2 weeks, right? Only these user profiles can like take more than a month or maybe like less than a month, and that's it. So I will suggest you to just leave it naturally. Let Google index all of those backlinks and do it for you. But if you are thinking like, oh, it is taking so much time and the links are not getting indexed, or maybe you have some website which you want to rank quickly, like an event or maybe some festival or something that for which you need like backlinking very quickly, and you want to index them quickly so that you can get ranking very quickly because time is an issue, or maybe the event is coming very soon. So in that case you can use some tools to index your backlinks. Okay, so I'm going to show you some free tools. This one, freeindexer.com, is a free tool where you can just add all of your links just one by one, like one link in one line and then the next link in another line. So here you don't need to add your own article. Okay, you need the page where you have created the backlink. For example, let me go to the website where we have created the backlinks. Okay, let me go to the website. One backlink I have created on this website, which is actually my own website, but the page was relevant, so I created one backlink. Here I can show you the page is relevant and I have created the backlink here. Okay, Canon M5 versus Canon M6. Let's say this backlink is not yet crawled by Google. It should be, but let's say it is not. So what I will do, I will go and add this link to the list, and then other link like any blog comment or profile backlink or guest post or whatever link, add all of those links here. Okay, and then click process. So it will send them to Google. Okay, to Google and other search engines. You can add 50 backlinks here for free, and then maybe they have like a free paid tool. Okay, so this is done. Now the next tool is this one, which is also free. You need to add URL 1, 2, 3 in the same way. Okay, you can add 300 to 3 more than like hundreds and thousands of backlinks you can add here for free. This is a free tool. They don't have a paid tool. Okay, so you just add all of your links one by one. Once again, I'm telling you the pages where you have created backlinks, not your own page, and then just click mass ping, and all of those links will be indexed within a few days, like 3 to 4 days. Some of the backlinks may still not be indexed. Okay, so some of them will be. So this is the free tool. So the free tool will not work the best all the time. Okay, now there are paid tool as well, like this one is $18 per month for 1.5 million backlinks a month. Okay, so you can use this one if you have more backlinks, so it will work better, like it will index 50% of your links, not 100%. Okay, and then another tool which cost only $10 per month, where you can add 10,000 backlinks per day, and it will try to index them using Google and other search engines. And this one is also has a free plan for 20 links a day. Okay, so you can use the free plan as well for 20 links, and this is better for backlinks if you are creating yourself, or if you have a small website, you can use their free plan. And if you go for paid plan, then you can, you know, get many features. So once I can expect like 50% of the links will be indexed, not 100%, because these are tools, and you know, tools are not 100% correct all the time. So this was my responsibility to tell you that once you create the backlinks, you have to wait for them to be discovered by Google and to be indexed by Google. After that, you will see the boost in your ranking, your Google ranking, because once Google discover the links, after that they will update their algorithm to change your ranking in the search engine.